Hello and welcome to the TayeMath app tutorial. Today I'll be showing you some of the key features of the Math 6 app to help you, parents and students this school year. So first things first, let's access the app. There are two ways to do so. The first is by going to tinyurl.com/TayeMath. And if you're on a personal device, you can go to TayeMath.fun. So once you go to the app, that website, here it is. You'll see different tabs. We have news, learning target, daily work, resources, a link to student view, a late work, about me, contact, and instructions on how to bookmark this on your device. So let's start with news. When you click on the news tab, here are some news and updates for you for the week. Notice it says the week of 8/1/22. So this is going to be for your first week of school. If you need to go back to the home page, you simply click home. Now let's check out the learning target. This learning target is going to give you some information on what we're learning for the week. For example, it says, welcome to TAP. This week we'll be learning about the school and class expectations, school and class routines. We'll be giving schedule support and also doing connections, or you may know them by specials. We'll be doing rotations. Now, let's take a look at the daily work feature. And parents, you may really find this helpful for a quick check each day. So when you click on daily work, you will see what was assigned for independent work on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So for Monday's homework, it's for the parent view opt-in for the laptops and to get all your school supplies for math. TBD is to be determined. So you guys will see updates to this as the week continues. Now, let's look at resources, and this is a great place for parents and students alike. So the first is help resources. This gives you help and practice for each topic. Let me show you how. When you go into the help and resources, you'll see that they're broken down into units. And then we also have the race rubric, which gives you information on the writing expectations here at TAP for Math 6. We want you to level up. So if you need a little bit of help or some extra practice in your unit, go ahead and check these out. Now, let's look at some other resources. Teacher videos. This is where you'll have study guides, the race workshop, the rubric, etc., and any other video that I personally record for you. So when you click on teacher videos, right now you see it loaded with a lot of things. And you know what? I was considering taking these off and starting over, but I'm going to keep it. I would rather you have too many resources than not enough. So as you see here, there's a back button and a more button. So I'm going to click on more so that you can see that there are other resources and spots for me to put even more. So let's go back. And now let's check out login reminders. You won't quite need these yet, but later on you will. So you'll see for some popular sites that we use USA Test Prep, iExcel, and Lumio. Now I'm going to go back home. Again, this student view is just a link. We want to encourage students to check their grades on a regular basis. And just to give you some more information, parents, make sure that you have the Parent View app or you access the website. We won't be calling and trying to give you phone call updates on what's going on with your students' grades because you have access in real time to view all assignments that are graded, missing work, and any other comments that teachers may put about your students' assignments. Now, let's check out late work. This gives you, later on, it'll be attached the late work policy, the syllabus, and a place for students and parents to check out the past week's work list. What's cool about the past week's work list? Let me show you some things about that. So it's going to bring you here automatically, but let me show you from last year an example of how these work. So notice that I have a live current work, and this is going to be where I show you what is expected either digitally or due to the class work basket. So parents, this is hanging up inside the class on one of my boards so students can see it at all times. But guess what? This gives you an opportunity to see live what's on my board for what it's due and when. Notice I also have the previous classwork board. So once that previous week or month's board is filled, I will put it here for you to view what was previously due. So this is for independent work and for classwork. And notice I also have a shot of the daily work from the app, and check out the late work policy here as well. So let's go back to the app. So when we go back to the home page, we have just a little about me section that you can check out at your leisure. We have a contact page so that you know to email me is the best way to get in contact with me. And again, instructions on how to bookmark this app on your device. Now, mind you, this is not an app exactly that's going to take up room on your device. This is a website that is made to look like an app. So no worries. Notice that I am on my computer screen, and this is what it looks like on the computer. But on your phone, this will just simply fill your screen and look like an app for you. But guess what? Students and parents, there's another way to access this app. When you go into your CTLS Learn, on your class board will be a welcome for me in the announcements. But check this out. The class app is also embedded here. So notice that it can be used right here in your CTLS. All right, so I hope this was helpful. You can review this at any time, as this video will be on my TayeMath YouTube channel. Be sure to subscribe, because then you'll get the notification whenever I post cool learning videos. You'll find out about it first. All right, so I hope that this was great and you have a wonderful day.